This is the way how to replace keyboard for Dell Latitude E7450. First you have to remove the battery and remove the nails backside, and after that you can remove this back cover like this. So safely remove the nails and remove the back cover. After that you can see this backside, fix that cables for touchpad and keyboard. You have to remove it safely, otherwise you can't remove the keyboard. Remove the keyboard cables and have to remove that frame. There's a frame, small frame for the keyboard. First you have to remove the that frame safely. And then there's small nails on the keyboard, so the nails also you have to remove. There are some small nails. After that you can get the keyboard safely. You can pull it out. There are some locks, so just you can pull it out using a small tool. That's the way to remove the keyboard from existing laptop. You can remove the keyboard like this. This is the way to remove the keyboard, that all keyboard. And now I'm going to show you how to put new keyboard. First we have to insert that cables ribbons over here. It's there's a small hole. It's upper from the touchpad, so you have to insert that cables and put the laptop keyboard like this, and you can tighten, put the locks like that. And after that you have to put that nails. When you pull it out, you removed nails you can put now, and make sure it should be tight. and now it's fixed, the keyboard, and now you can close that, this is the racket. So now you have to put the racket like this. Now it's very complete. Then rackets you should tight. It's there are some locks, you can feel it like tick sound. Then you have to put that racket over the keyboard. Yeah, now it's fixed. And now it's you have to make tight, then you can feel the tick sounds. Now it finish, and then again that back cover side you have to put that cable very safely. Touchpad it's a backlight keyboard, backlight cables, and keyboard cable very safely, and a joystick cable. This is the joystick cable, and it should be fixed. Now it's ready to use. That completely that keyboard fixed. So now you can this time you can fix that back. Before using battery, you have to put that back cover, and there are two nails, so you should fix the two nails. This is small hole, so you have to fix that two nails. Now after that, after the fixing these nails, another nail also, after that you can put the battery. That is the last step, put the battery, and that's finished. That keyboard installation is finished. Thank you.